Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. So today is just a quick unboxing. I will be opening the brand new 2020 BMW M4 Cabriolet moving parts one. The interior is done really nice, same with the exterior paint in this nice dark blue. The headlights and taillights are done. I'm showing the taillights obviously. And then there's the headlights. They're both finished really well, I will say. And yeah, these are surprisingly not as expensive compared to like the Matchbox Superfast or the Matchbox Collector Series cars, which are like, about $5 to $8, depending on what store you get them from. And how much taxes, depending on where you live, kind of thing, too. So yeah. I was really happy to see this because I just finished watching a video from not today, but yesterday, I believe, or possibly today, from David at Twice Diecast, and he sent me a reply comment saying that stores should be getting 2022 Matchbox cars. Some stores probably are getting some in, but some are getting them in a bit slower than others, and depending on where you are, you won't all get all the new 2022 mainline stuff. You might get some 2022 premium stuff before other stores do, and that seemed to happen, kind of today, and a Walmart store. So yeah. Anyways, I ended up getting two of them. I may or may not have the other one be in a giveaway, because, I haven't done one of those in a long time, but, if I do, I feel like maybe I should just do, one prize at a time kind of thing. Like, just do a first place prize only thing. Because, if you do so many prizes, then you have to not only pay for all those cars, then you have to pay for shipping after you send them off to the people. So yeah, if I do giveaways in the future, they're probably just going to be one prize, but they're going to be a prize that's, possibly a basic car or maybe a premium car. I'm not sure. And I don't know when my next giveaway will be. But when it happens, I will let you know. Or I might just keep doing a shoutout thing instead. I'm not sure yet. Because, some people, they give away cars, some people do shoutouts, so yeah, it just depends on what you feel like doing. Anyways, I'm going to open this car right now. This is one I've been really trying to find for quite a while, because it's a really nice color, and it's a nice car too. So yeah, anyways, I will open this car right now, and show you what it looks like, with the doors open and closed, because as you can see right there, the opening, or moving part, for this car is the doors on both sides. The right side and the left side door both open. So I will be back shortly with the car open. And if you're seeing nothing, it's just because I have to open the car really quickly. Bye until the car is open, and I will be back shortly with it opened. And there's the car opened. Here it is from the front view. Here it is from the right side view. Sorry, there's the packaging that came in the background. And then there's the rear view. Now, that's kind of cool that they put the actual company name that made this diecast car on the back. It says Matchbox on the back right there, actually, and I didn't notice that until just now. And then here's the view from the other side, the other right side, which should be the left side, if I'm not mistaken then. And here's a view at it from an angle. So yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video, and bye until my next diecast car unboxing, or showcase, or collection vehicle, or racing video, or toy car sports video. And have a great and fantastic day.